The upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 could be the first foldable that actually makes the dreaded crease almost invisible. A new leak suggests that its crease will be even better than the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, which already made some improvements. As per the leaker, Galaxy Z Fold 7 display crease invisibility rating will be around 98.1%, which sounds good. For years, one of the biggest reasons people avoid foldable phones is that annoying crease that runs right down the middle of the screen. Even the best foldables still have it, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. But die-hard foldable users swear that you get used to it fast, and the extra screen real estate makes it totally worth it. If Samsung really has figured out a way to make the crease nearly invisible, the Z Fold 7 might finally win over those who've been on the fence. But while leaks about the Fold 7 are popping up left and right, things are suspiciously quiet when it comes to the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Will Samsung give the same crease treatment to the Flip? We'll have to wait and see. Aside from the crease upgrade, another big rumor involves Exynos. Samsung's 3nm manufacturing process is finally stable, meaning we might see the Exynos 2500 instead of the Qualcomm in some regions powering the Z Fold 7. If things go well, this could also mean Exynos chips will return to the Galaxy S lineup. The company is already testing 2nm chips, which could debut in the Galaxy S26 next year. Let's be honest, the Galaxy S25 launch was not so good. It's a solid lineup, but it didn't bring anything game-changing to the table. If Samsung really delivers a crease-free foldable with the Z Fold 7, it could attract users who were disappointed with the S25 series. And let's face it, the Z series could use a sales boost right now. So, what do you think? Will a nearly invisible crease be enough to make you switch to foldables? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.